188B Investor Stream, Business Innovation and Investment Visa for Australia. What are the eligibility criteria for the 188B visa? The first, managed a qualifying business or investments to the value of at least $1.5 million AUD for at least one of the last 5 years. The second, assets of $2.25 million AUD during the last 2 years before applying. You have business and personal assets with a net value of at least $2.25 million AUD. The third, be nominated by an Australian state or territory. Victoria state nomination requirements are: live in Victoria, have a genuine commitment to establish a residence, and live in Victoria for at least 2 years. Make a designated investment of at least $1.5 million AUD in your nominating state. In Victoria, invest in Victorian designated investment bonds with the Victorian Treasury Corporation. You must maintain the designated investment for at least 4 years. Additional investment activity in Victoria. Invest at least $500,000 AUD in Victoria during the provisional visa period, including buy at Victorian real estate. Sufficient funds to settle in Victoria. The applicant and their dependents must have available no less than $200,000 AUD to settle in Victoria. The fourth, investment experience. At least 3 years experience managing eligible investments. The fifth, pass the points test. The sixth, be under 55 years. The seventh, no history of involvement in unacceptable investment activities. The eighth, functional English language ability. IELTS score of 4.5 for each of the 4 test components. The ninth, meet health and character requirements. What can you do in Australia on the 188B provisional visa? A. Carry out business or investment activity in Australia. B. Stay in Australia for up to 4 years and 3 months. C. Include family members in your application. D. After 4 years, you can apply for the permanent residence visa, Subclass 888. What is the residence requirement? You must have lived in Australia for at least 2 of the 4 years immediately before you apply for the permanent visa. What is the application process? Submit an expression of interest to the Department of Home Affairs. Apply for visa nomination. Submit a state territory nomination application. Lodge a formal visa application. Receive state nomination and invitation to apply. Then you can lodge a visa application within 60 days. Contact VisaConnect's consultants for 188B visa assistance today. VisaConnect, your ideal immigration agent. See our website and Facebook page.